I'm Izzy.
And today we're here at Target, and we're going to be doing the $500 slime supply shopping challenge. So we did this at Walmart, and a lot of you guys commented down below for us to do at Target. So here we are. We're going to be doing it at Target today. So let's go shopping.
Okay, ready? Wait, there's a car. I know that.
Yeah, I think we should get a Starbucks drink.
What are they? Superheroes in a jar?
Dinosaurs! You can put these in
cute.
slime. And unicorns! You can put these in slime.
Oh, the unicorns are cute.
Should we get one? Or, I don't know. What good?
The Legos.
Oh, it's a suitable hairbrush.
I can't even.
Oh, that's
Look,
cute.
it's a suitable hairbrush. So here's the mirror, and here's the brush.
Some bubbles.
Whoa, are those slimes or bubbles?
They're slimes.
Slimes?
Okay,
Oh my god,
so
those
we
are
have
so
to get
cool.
2 of each color.
Two of each color.
So there's this, there's this, there's this. Okay, so we need to get another one of this, another one of this, another one of this. Is there any more red ones? Purple and red? Oh, there's another one. Another one of this. Oh, purple and red. And then just these. Can you get the first, please?
Where'd you get this?
Right there.
They look like bubbles.
I know, but they're slime. They're jiggly slime. Hey, why'd you get a basket? I don't know. Should we get some paint?
Oh, look, it's little bunnies. Oh, the boys will love this.
Oh, I
those
think
are
I'm gonna
cute.
get some.
Thanks.
Oh, I'm gonna get some robin's egg. 2 bottles of robin's egg food coloring because it is almost Easter.
Look at all the Easter frogs. I found a best.
These are super cute.
And then I found.
You can decorate them.
And then.
Oh, look, Silly Putty. It's like a 5-pack.
That's cool. I'm gonna get it.
Look, I found a little mini basket. I found a big egg. I found a small egg.
Cool.
Okay, so I'm gonna get something glitter. So,
What color glitter?
a pink and a red and a green and a purple because these are kind of Easter colors, like Easter eggs. Okay, so I'm gonna get neon lime,
Oh, look at all the colors.
neon purple,
Comment down below which one's your favorite color.
neon yellow, and neon hot coral. Coral.
They have glue.
Oh, yay. Okay. Guys, comment down below if you know how many ounces are in this bottle and then how many ounces are in this bottle. Down below, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here they are.
So this one has 7.6 and this one has 4 ounces.
No cheating, guys. Comment down below.
Oh,
Okay. I'm gonna
that
get
one's running away.
4
4.
and one of this and one of these. These are different.
You getting 2 of those?
Yeah.
Cool.
3 oops. Can you make glue with that?
I don't know.
Gosh, look,
We've
they-
never tried.
They changed the color. It used to be black, but now it's brown.
Cool.
No,
I think it's always been brown.
No, it's always been black.
It's always been brown.
I'm gonna get minions, guys, so we can do
What
the
should
3
we
micro
get?
times. We have to get one more because this video is gonna be a different video and it's gonna be a special one. And then get a box of super tips too.
50 markers. Yep, that's a lot.
Yep.
Putty, it's right
Oh,
over
yeah.
here. Look, there's a different
Hey, we
one.
have this.
Yeah.
We made a video with this. Go
Oh,
check it out,
wow.
guys.
So, wait. There's a blue putty, a white putty, a pink putty, and a green putty.
Oh, and the glow in the dark putty.
Yeah, I got that.
Oh, you got that one?
Yeah. Now let's go check the bathroom to see if we can find any slime. Sorry if I sound weird because I'm catching a little cold.
Yeah, we told her to stay home, but she refused. She's like, I'm going shopping too.
Yeah. Oh, I want to get this.
Oh, that's cute. It's a charger in a case. Did you find a grabber?
Mom,
They have any slimes?
Mom, that looks so realistic. I thought it came with a phone.
Let me see.
What's this? A mystery hatching glove. Oh, it's an egg.
Izzy, look,
I
look,
one of these.
look, it's one of those colors.
Look at this, guys.
Whoa. I'm gonna get one of these so after the video I can show it to you guys.
Oh, it's got a blue one.
Yeah.
It's filled with slime.
Yeah,
so I
it
guess if you count, huh?
Yeah, so I can show it to you guys out of the package after the video.
I love these.
Amazing putty. I love this stuff. Magnetic putty. Ooh, I'm gonna get this one.
What's that one? It's like unicorn, color changing.
Oh, this
Look,
is
peace sign.
unicorn putty, color changing. I want to get this one. Wait, ready? Ghost putty.
What's ghost putty? Oh, it's just clear putty.
Translucent.
Look. Look.
Transparent.
Look.
You
Okay.
got something on your hands.
I do.
I'm gonna be getting this magnetic and say hi to the fish. Gabe would love this.
Mom,
Oh, it has like Orbeez in
Yeah,
it.
and it lights up, right?
it's only $100 for Junior and Gabe's phone.
Oh my gosh, what does it do? Can you actually make a call?
I don't know.
I
A
think
you can
handheld
actually
smart
text.
device for kids.
You can actually text.
Whoa, look! It's a Nickelodeon slime kit. Bring on the slime.
Oh, that's cool.
And it's some elastic putty.
Elasti-plasti.
Elasti-plasti.
Oh, that's from Orb.
Oh, and this is the last one. Oh, wait! There's two more down here.
Oh,
There's a pink one and another green one. So, let's get all three.
You gonna get all three?
Yep.
I wonder how much you're at right now. Comment down
guessing,
below if you know how much,
$100.
guys.
Oh, look! And it's two Karina Garcia slime kits. Hi, Karina.
Oh, there's your cotton candy maker you got for your birthday.
Huh? Oh, yeah. I haven't used it yet
Oh, look,
because
that's
you need to
a
get
slime
sugar.
kit that you can drink.
What?
Oh, I want
Kinetic
to get
sand.
this.
A slime kit that you could drink?
It's pretty cool, huh?
Oh, I want to get this. Izzy, want to try this out?
Sure.
Okay, let's get
What
it.
is it?
We're going to try it out on the video. It's the slime kit that you can drink.
Ew. That looks good. Glam glue, because you got one, Mary.
Okay.
Ooh.
It's so cool. I got one for my birthday. They're like slime in a purse. You could keep your slime in it.
You still squishing it? Oh, did you find another one?
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the Orbeez.
What is this supposed to do?
Hmm?
What is this
can
supposed
make
to
I think it's like a surprise.
Yeah, but what is this spinner?
To spin it and then you grab one out, I guess. Like that. There's surprises in them. Oh, they have the big golden one too, look.
Okay.
Whoa. It's half.
Whoa. There's a galaxy. Whoa. I'm not tall enough. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a kitty cat.
It's a metallic kitty
This
cat.
one's glossy.
Whoa. Oh, it's a little egg.
Look at this one. It's a cloud.
Oh, that's so cute.
What's this? Oh, it's a little bulldog. Oh, it's a pizza pie.
It's a metallic cupcake.
Whoa.
We're getting all those.
We're gonna leave.
Oh, that's way
Oh,
more.
it's another one.
No. Whoa.
Hey, it's a pink metallic cake.
Whoa.
Look at this. It's
It's a metallic bear.
Whoa, and it's a regular cupcake.
What else is up there? Tell
Oh,
us,
we have
guys.
one of these, but it's round.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, can't reach.
Oh, we already have this.
Oh, it's an ice cream cone.
now have to get this out, but.
Oh, squishies.
Okay, wait. Do that again,
Did you
and we
get them
have
all?
to. Izzy,
Yeah. I got them all.
Whoa, do that again, and we have to put it back up. Do it again, and I have to try to catch as many as I can.
Some really ice cream.
Oh, look, it's a blue one. And this is pink.
Bun.
Whoa.
And it's another metallic
Cupcake and a cake
Okay.
and another metallic
You guys,
cupcake.
I got a surprise. This is something that the boys would love. Turn around. This is.
Oh,
The boys would love.
oh
Look, we
my
can
gosh.
even bring
I
them.
love the Hatchimals.
We
how
can
they're in
even
a
bring them
case.
this. Look at this now.
Oh, wow. I don't think they're in eggs, are they?
Yeah, they are.
Like, some of them are just in the case.
Oh yeah, but some are in eggs.
That is so cute.
Look, some are in eggs. Look.
These are in eggs. Get these.
Yeah.
These are in eggs.
Oh, or should we get them these?
Yeah, get those, the 2-pack.
Look, it's a Barbie, but it's also Crayola. You could color it.
That's pretty cool.
And there's another one.
Oh, look at this.
Look, there's
the
another
makeup,
one.
the lip gloss.
Look, there's another one.
That's cool, huh?
God, Mom, I had the best idea. Can we do the Barbie 3-marker challenge, and we can make Dad color a Barbie?
Oh, Dad would love that, wouldn't he?
Dad would actually love that. He would actually be down.
Is
He'd
there 3?
be like,
Oh, yeah, there's 3, huh?
yeah, Dad would actually be down. He'd be like, yeah.
Barbie 3-marker challenge.
Yeah.
Look, this one
Oh,
comes
Izzy
with
was
a
saying
water
they had purses, too.
Oh, we should color purses so we can do
Here.
2 rounds.
Yeah, 2 rounds is good. Here you go.
Hey, we already have some right
Oh,
here.
you got some? Okay. Oh, they're the same, huh?
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
see anything else. What's this? This is Reveal It. That's something different.
Yeah.
So I'm getting this lip gloss and getting this hairbrush
And that's not slime related, but why are you getting that?
because I got $10 from the Tooth Fairy.
Okay, she has her own $10 from the Tooth Fairy to get that.
I'm at $7, so I have $3 more.
$3 more dollars. Is there any more Barbie stuff over here?
What are you doing?
Guys, sometimes there's slime over there.
Okay.
Racia.
Can't run, my foot hurts.
Okay. Excuses.
Right here. Whoa. Can you imagine taking Junior and Gabe down this aisle? Look at all the
wow.
candy.
If we took Junior and Gabe down this aisle.
Whoa.
Oh, I was gonna say.
I thought that was a clear egg.
I know,
Someone took the
right?
egg. Is it?
I thought it
Because
was
they're
a
missing
clear
on
egg.
both
No, I
packages.
thought it was a clear egg.
No, me too.
But it's a fluffy egg.
Oh,
It's a
this is what's
fluffy egg?
supposed.
It's a fluffy egg.
This is
Oh
what's
my
supposed to
gosh.
be there, the blue egg.
It's a fluffy egg.
I like the clear egg.
I know, right?
I want the clear egg.
I want the clear egg too.
I think it's funny.
Whoa, look at all the Easter eggs, guys.
Get ready for Easter. Oh, look, this is a big egg filled with little tiny eggs.
That's cool.
Easter Pop 2
Whoa, look at all the filled eggs.
minutes.
I like these eggs.
I
Smart
want the
Putty?
clear egg.
Oh, look, this is
Smart
Crazy Art Glow Vivid Yellow Smart Putty.
What is this?
Purple Smart Putty.
Oh, I thought this was an actual big lollipop.
A pick-me pop.
Look, it's a gummy bear egg. I love gummy bears.
Cool.
I don't know.
What
What
Smart
is this?
Putty Classic Red.
Wow, we got all 3 colors.
Whoa.
I don't know how many colors there are, but we're getting 3. And now to my best friend.
Look at all the candy eggs.
There's Easter Peeps edition. I
Whoa.
want to try them.
Okay.
Oh, little eggs. Mary loves Peeps.
These are all for coloring eggs. Whoa, look at all the Oreos.
I'm gonna have to get this. It's bigger.
Someone took a.
Do you remember when we did? Someone bit the chocolate
Why are you
egg.
touching that? Somebody else.
They bit the ear.
Okay, so
I was gonna.
Do you remember when we did the Peeps challenge? We
Yeah.
did 2 of them.
this was one of my favorites, the cotton candy.
Oh yeah. Oh, remember the birthday cake?
Oh, mommy.
Huh.
The pink lollipop.
Oh, look, Swedish fish mini eggs. Swedish fish mini with eggs.
I'm getting these.
Look, Izzy, this is Swedish fish and eggs together. Izzy loves Swedish fish.
I'm getting
That's
these.
a fun fact about Izzy.
Oh my god, I'm getting these.
Those aren't slime related.
Well, what happened if I eat one when I'm making slime?
I don't know if that counts.
I'm getting
Counts for
cotton
me.
I got cotton candy ones.
I think we might be at $500. Look at this cart.
I don't think so.
Oh my god, we
Junior
got
would love it if we brought him one of these. He would be playing in the sand. Should we bring one of these?
I want the clear egg.
I know. I was so excited for the clear egg.
I know. I was like,
Oh,
yay!
someone
We
took the
find-
puppy egg out.
Oh, it actually opens. That's so cool.
I was like, yay! We finally found a clear egg.
And
I found this slime loop mix-ins.
whoa.
You can make foam beads, diamonds, or little dragons into the slime.
Oh, that's so
I think
cool.
this is I'm getting this.
No, it's just stuff to go back probably. Is there any more in there? Oh, rubber duckies.
Ooh, Skittles.
Wow.
I made
Skittles are
Skittle
not-
slime. Skittle slime.
No. What happens when you put candy in slime, Mary?
It makes it all.
It turns to liquid. The tide.
I almost walked right into this pool.
So, how much are they? How many are you gonna get?
6.
6? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many tides do you want?
6.
You want 6? Or why don't you get 2 and then you share? You each all have 4. We'll get 8. Izzy's getting 2. You gonna need 2?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Hey, look, they have clear Tide pods. Shaving cream.
Is this the soap kind?
I don't know. It's like shaved gel or something. How many are you getting?
I'm getting 4 shaving creams.
How many
I'm
getting?
one of this because that one. Whatever from this one, it says foamy, and this one just says original. So,
Hey, what's your name?
Julia.
Julia. Oh,
Yes,
nice to meet you.
bracelets for you.
Oh, thank you.
Can you get a picture with her, Julia?
Okay, she was excited. No, get in the middle of them.
Ready? I think we're at like 500 now.
Mom's paying for the food, and then we're gonna use our $500.
So she's got a drink that I'm paying for, and she's using her money for her Barbie toy and her hairbrush, right?
I got a drink too.
So those don't count, right? I'll pay for those. Getting down to the bottom. Those are so cool, aren't they?
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're out of Target and we didn't go over our budget, so we're gonna go in Dollar Tree. And our budget, what? Not our
So you
budget.
didn't go over your $500 budget. Your total was $362
Yeah.
and 64 cents.
Yep.
So they got a whole bunch of slime and Tide and glue. And now we're gonna go to Dollar Tree.
We have about $138 left to spend.
And
So we're gonna try to go right over there. I don't know
Dollar
if you
Tree.
can see it. Dollar Tree, if it's not too late. She zoomed in. 'Cause you didn't go over budget, so you
Yeah.
can go to another store.
Let's go over to Dollar
Whoa!
Tree.
Did you see that?
What? Whoa.
Poke it, Mary. Poke it in. Poke it in.
Oh!
The big ones. It's so satisfying.
I like the little ones better.
They're close, let's zoom in on the sign. It
Yeah.
says store hours
Monday.
9 a.m. to 9 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Man, have you guys ever seen the Dollar Tree empty?
Whoa. Whoa. Guys, comment down below if you want us to make some of these.
It's easy.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.